word is frigata in Spanish, and I use Google Translate. It just shows frigate, so I don't think that's quite the name. It must be some other translation into English. And I sure would like to know. I mean, the beak itself is really scary. It'll probably just pierce your eyes out. And but it soars very, very high, and it has this red pouch at its throat, and it just really, really flies high, and it's looking around and looking around, and I don't know whether it is it's a bird that has its wings clipped, but I don't think so. Knowing this place, I seriously doubt it. And that is quite a threatening-looking beak there it has, and it's constantly surveying, so it's looking for a prey, and I don't know what the prey is of this bird, but I'll have to ask somebody. And I mean, it is really, really threatening. And I'm supposed to go on that boat ramp, and I was afraid of these iguanas, but now I'm not sure I want to go by this bird even here. It doesn't have a crown or anything, so it has the rope behind it. And we can see the beak. I mean, my goodness. It'll kill somebody. C'est la vie.